Next up, let's talk about time value of money. Now, time value of money is a huge thing, and we do this a lot in the mastery course and also in the core course and the elective courses. Time value of money is a foundational skill to understand how to make decisions about money, and so it's also integral to all the Does It Pencil courses. This is an introductory course. I'm just going to give you an overview, but you're going to learn the basic key presses and what you need to know on the HP12C. So first of all, and I mentioned this previously, let's take a look at the top row in the upper left, the 5 keys, which are N, I, PV, PMT, and FV. They are defined like this. The N stands for time periods. That's going to be months or years. So N stands for time. I stands for interest, yield, or rate. PV is present value. That's a lump sum that occurs once at the beginning. PMT is payment, a periodic sum that occurs periodically. And FV is future value, a lump sum that occurs once at the end. So there's 2 things about time value of money that I'm just going to explain briefly. Then I'll show an example. The first thing is, in time value of money, the trick to this thing is called find 3, solve for the 4th. So you find 3 pieces of information and you solve for the 4th. Or you can find 4 and solve for the 5th. We don't do that in Does It Pencil. We find 3 and solve for the 4th. I'll show you that in the example problem coming up next. The second thing about time value of money is the conversion. And the conversion is with rate and term, and that toggles with the blue G key and then the N key or the I key. That says error because there's nothing in it. But just write it down or take a look at it. Blue GN, blue GI. What this does is it makes a monthly conversion. The HP12C by default is a 1 payment per year calculator. I'm not going to get into that now. That has to do with appreciation, entering cash flows. Do that in the other courses. What you need to know now is that if you're going to be doing a monthly payment problem, like for a mortgage, when you enter the N and I values, you must always press the blue G key first. That does the conversions for term and the conversion for rate. And I'll show you both of those things next in the example problem.